Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Strinova game controllers is not working on your PC. Guys, first solution is check connection. Make sure your controllers is securely connected. For wired controllers, ensure the USB is properly plugged in. For wireless controllers, ensure that they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then just open up the Steam, then just click on the Strinova game. Then just click on the gear icon of your game, then just go to your game properties, and on the left hand side just go to the controllers, and here in the override controller setting just choose the disable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your controller is still not working, then just go to the properties again, then just go to the controllers again and choose here the enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check. If your controller is still not working, then just choose here the use default setting. Now try these three, and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye.